folks, this is Liu Will channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Then we make a dish. It's called the soybean paste flavored eggplant. Chinese name called 酱茄子. The main ingredient we need 1 or 2 eggplant. Any kind of eggplant is okay. And we need soybean paste. You can buy from Asian market. They have doesn't matter which brand. You don't need to buy this brand. You just, if you find the soybean paste, you just buy it. And we need 2 green onion scallion and 2 cloves of garlic and a small bunch of cilantro. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the green onion scallion. We already washed it and pick the dead leaves, and we just cut the root off. And we cut from, and we cut it small. Try to cut it small like this, not too big. Just cut. This is a green onion scallion we get. Okay, we cut this garlic. This garlic we already peeled. We cut the bottom part of this. We cut the bottom part off, and then we put the knife and smash the garlic. Then we just cut it. Try to cut it small. If you can't cut it small, you can just chop it later. It's up to you. I think this is big enough. And put it back to the bowl. Those are the garlic we get. Okay, we cut scallion. This scallion we cut the bottom part off. We already washed it. We cut it not too long, maybe just this long. Just cut it. Yeah, we cut the cilantro. This is cilantro. Okay, this is the cilantro we get. Okay, we cut the eggplant. The eggplant are washed. We just peel this part off. Then we cut it half, the middle half. Then we cut it like this. So we be like this. Let's do the same thing. This is the eggplant we get. We get the eggplant. This is the potato starch. We add 4 tablespoons potato starch to the eggplant. So that Okay, now we use the hand to rub the eggplant, let the eggplant coated with potato starch. You can use the corn starch. Any starch is okay for this. We just want the starch. If you really can't find starch, don't have starch, you can use the wheat flour. It's also okay. But if you use the starch, it's more kind of the eggplant outside be a little crunchy. So just rub it. Okay, this eggplant is coated with starch, so we fry the eggplant. On the stove, medium fire, and put the pot on. When the pot is hot, we add 1 cup to 2 cups of vegetable oil to fry the eggplant. Don't need too much. I will rinse the pot. Just wait until oil is hot, and then we can put a little piece stuff into the oil. If it starts frying, then we add the coated eggplant into it to fry. We put a little piece of cilantro to the oil. Okay, just be careful. Yeah, don't be careful the water. the water, so the oil is ready. If it start frying, means the oil is ready. So we just add the eggplant to the oil. We add 3, just slowly fry. Or you can, if you don't know the oil is ready, you can put a chopstick into the oil. You can see the chopstick at the bottom is kind of frying. That means the oil is ready. You can put a little piece of veggie into it, or you can use a chopstick to see it. Put a chopstick to it, the chopstick start frying. That means a lot of bubble come out from the tip of the chopstick. That means the oil is ready. So you can add the eggplant into it to fry. Okay, then we can over fry the other side. Just fry until the eggplant become fully cooked and become soft. It's outside will be crispy, but inside your chopstick poke, you can feel it's very soft. You just let it slowly fry. And also the eggplant outside become golden brown. To kind of over fry both sides, so the eggplant both sides get fried. You can see the eggplant is very soft and crunchy. Both sides become golden brown. Then put the eggplant to drain the oil. Put it into a strainer and put it here to drain the oil. You can put it in a pot to drink the oil. You put it in the oil pot to drink the oil. And more to it to fry the rest of it. Just keep repeat to fry all the eggplant and drain the oil. We add the drained oil, the eggplant into the plate and keep frying the rest of the eggplant. Those after fried eggplant we get. Turn on the stove. Medium flame. Pot on. The pot already cleaned. We add the 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it and rinse the pot. Because the pot is already fried. After fried, the pot is already hot. I just use a paper towel to clean. I don't use the water wash it. Use the paper towel to clean. The oil is hot. We add the garlic and the scallion or green onion to it. And fry. And fry until the garlic and the green onion, or some people call scallion, release good smell. When the garlic and the green onion release good smell, we add the soybean paste. We add 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons. You can add 1 tablespoon or 2, or 2 tablespoons, up to you. Now we fry. Fry the soybean paste. When the soybean paste releases good smell, we add the fried eggplant into it. Okay. Now we fry it. Stir fry. You can try the flavor if the soybean flavor is not salt. You can't taste salt. You can add a little salt, or you can add more soybean paste. It's up to you. Okay. Now we add 1 cup of cold tap water to it. You can add hot water. It's up to you. 1 cup water to the eggplant. Now you can try the flavor. If the flavor is good and you can taste the soybean paste, that flavor, so it's good. Now we cover it. Let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. While the eggplant cooking in the pot, don't forget to gently stir it, eggplant. Let the flavor all go into the eggplant. Now we cover it and keep cooking. After a few minutes, we can see the sauce already thicken up. And we can see the eggplant is already fully cooked, and the sauce is thick up. We can try the flavor. The flavor is good. If you taste it's not enough salt, you can add a little more salt to it. So this this dish is done. We turn off the stove. Put it to the This is the cilantro. We cut it. We just put the cilantro on the top. So the soybean flavored eggplant, this dish is done, and I hope you like it. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment, and see you next time.